Hey everyone, 2025 AMC Javelin Pierre Cardin is a stunning blend of classic muscle car heritage and modern performance engineering. This reborn icon pays tribute to the legendary Pierre Cardin edition Javelin of the 1970s while incorporating cutting-edge automotive technology, making it a true collector's dream and a high-performance beast on the road. AMC, known for its bold and unconventional designs, has revived the Javelin in a way that stays true to its roots while embracing the demands of modern muscle car enthusiasts. The 2025 model retains the aggressive, wide-body stance of its predecessor but introduces a sleeker aerodynamic profile, enhanced by lightweight carbon fiber elements. The signature Pierre Cardin influence is evident in the bold color schemes, intricate interior detailing, and luxurious materials that set this edition apart from standard muscle cars. Under the hood, the 2025 Javelin Pierre Cardin doesn't just rely on nostalgia, it delivers serious power. Equipped with a supercharged 6.4-liter V8 engine, this modern muscle car roars to life with an impressive 750 horsepower. This powertrain, paired with an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission or an optional 6-speed manual for purists, ensures blistering acceleration and a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour. To handle this immense power, the Javelin features an adaptive suspension system and high-performance Brembo brakes, providing exceptional control and stopping power. The Pierre Cardin design influence is most striking in the cabin. The 2025 model brings back the signature wave-patterned upholstery that made the original edition famous, now updated with high-quality Alcantara, premium leather, and ambient lighting. The dashboard features a fully digital driver's display with customizable themes inspired by Cardin's avant-garde fashion designs. A high-resolution infotainment system with AI-driven voice commands, wireless connectivity, and a premium audio setup ensures that the Javelin is as technologically advanced as it is stylish. In terms of exclusivity, the 2025 Javelin Pierre Cardin is a limited production model, with only 1,500 units being produced worldwide. Each car comes with a numbered plaque, Pierre Cardin branding, and an array of customization options that allow owners to personalize their vehicles while maintaining the core aesthetic envisioned by Cardin. Special edition paint schemes, retro-inspired badging, and unique alloy wheels further distinguish this model from other modern muscle cars. Performance enthusiasts will appreciate the Javelin's track-ready capabilities. With launch control, torque vectoring, and a performance-oriented rear differential, the Javelin is built for both straight-line speed and tight cornering. The exhaust system is tuned to provide a deep, throaty growl, reminiscent of classic muscle cars but refined for a modern audience. The result is a car that delivers both nostalgia and innovation, appealing to collectors and adrenaline junkies alike. Despite its aggressive performance, the 2025 Javelin Pierre Cardin also offers a refined driving experience. Comfort mode adjusts the suspension and steering for smoother rides, making it suitable for daily use. Advanced driver assist systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance, provide modern safety without detracting from the raw driving experience. The return of the AMC Javelin Pierre Cardin represents more than just a revival of a classic nameplate, it symbolizes a perfect marriage of past and future. With its unmistakable styling, heart-pounding performance, and a deep connection to automotive history, this limited edition muscle car stands as one of the most exciting releases of the decade. Whether admired for its artistry, collected for its rarity, or driven for its exhilarating power, the 2025 Javelin Pierre Cardin cements its place as an unforgettable masterpiece in the modern muscle